Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I am going to Crown Heights, Brooklyn. It's a West Indian Day festival. So I'm just heading to the Manhattan Bridge, cross over that, straight shot down Flatbush out to Grand Army Plaza. And then the festival takes place all along Eastern Boulevard, over by the museum, the library, all that good stuff. I'm going to meet my friend who makes beats and raps. His name's Ashok. Check him out on SoundCloud. I use a lot of his beats in my videos, if you haven't noticed. There's some really tight rap beats and remixes and stuff like that. So let's get this bridge behind us and see if we could get all of this content in 8 minutes. It's going to be a lot to see. All right, the bridge is now behind us, or should I say over us, as we go under it. I am gonna take this left down here, work my way over to Flatbush Ave, straight shot down past the Barclays Center, right at the corner of Prospect Park. Hi. Always gotta wave to the babies. Keep them babies smiling. So I'm looking forward to this. My boy Ashok is, he's Jamaican and Chinese, and he's a foodie like me. And both of us can really appreciate some good Caribbean food. So I'm looking forward to him showing me what to eat. Maybe there's some stuff I haven't tried, some delicacies, some specialties. Coming up here on the Barclays Center, just on the left. So we're almost at Grand Army Plaza, and there is a really cool arch there that I gotta show you guys. We're gonna ride through it. Oh, come on. It's all covered in scaffolding. You know what though? I might have some old video, and I know I have a photo of the zoos in front of it. So I'll have to pop that in there for you to see. All right, so my boy told me to meet him in front of the library, so I'm just pulling up on that right now. What up? Ashok Roy.
Yeah, man.
Right here. SoundCloud. Check him out.
Live in the flesh. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go get some Caribbean food, huh?
Let's do it, man.
Oh man! All right, I'll watch the board.
That's the shark.
Oh, beauty! That looks good. Oh man, is that curry goat?
Oxtail.
Oxtail?
Oxtail.
Sweet.
Rasta pasta.
Awesome. Oh yeah. chicken. Oh man, that was some crazy good food. We started off with some fried fish. One was shark and one was like a whole snapper. Really good stuff, man. Tough to eat with one hand and one plastic fork, you know, while you're standing, but really good nonetheless. Then we moved on to oxtail stew with rasta pasta. That was so good. Spicy, sweet, real earthy flavors on the pasta. Absolutely delicious, tender oxtail. Amazing. I mean, if there's any place to get it, this is it. We did some jerk chicken, followed by curry chicken. Ashok was looking for curry goat, but he couldn't find any. It was tough because I had the bike on the sidelines. It was a little too crowded near all the vendor stalls for like me to bring the bike around, you know, tight quarters, and didn't want to step on any toes or roll over any toes. So I kind of hung out on the side, and he went in and picked like all the stuff that he wanted me to try. Really good food. I'm feeling stuffed. But that's it. Check out my boy Ashok Roy over on SoundCloud. Check out his beats and his remixes. Really talented. But we managed to do it around the hood in 8 minutes. Crown Heights West Indian Festival and Parade. Tune in next time for the next episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes. Only on Frantic TV.